everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to show or hide outline symbols with Kutools for Excel. The shortcut keys and Excel option methods are only applied to the specific worksheet, but if you want to show or hide the outline symbols in the whole workbook, you just repeat the way one by one. But if you have Kutools for Excel's View Options utility, you can quickly toggle the outline symbols between hiding and showing either in a worksheet or workbook. Click the Kutools tab. In the View group, click the Show and Hide drop-down list and select View Options. In the View Options dialog box under the Window Options section, check and uncheck the outline symbols to show or hide the outline symbols. If you want to apply this function to the whole workbook, you can click Apply to All Sheets button at the bottom of the dialog box. Next, click the OK button to finish this option. The View Options tool makes it possible to show or hide most of Microsoft Excel settings quickly, such as inner tabs, formula bar, status bar, windows and taskbar, grid lines, page breaks, display zeros, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar, sheet tabs, and etc. It will save your time in looking for these settings when you need to show or hide them. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.